Welcome to this video demonstration of NGRAIN Producer Pro. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate animations. In this topic, we will be discussing adding features to an animation. In my first demonstration, I'm going to show you how to add a callout to a keyframe. There are two types of callouts you can use, a floating or an attached. In my demonstration, you simply select the callout button. The attached callout, you hold down the left mouse button on any individual model part, pull and release. You get a callout formatting toolbar. You can add pictures, you can add text. As you know, come down to the keyframe, right click, capture all, and you have now captured a callout inside of this keyframe. Demonstrating a floating callout, you simply select the callout button, not associating with any individual part, anywhere in the workspace. Click your callout formatting toolbar. This one's typically used for instructor notes or warning messages. If you want to get rid of your callout, simply go in the border, right click, and delete. In the next demonstration, I would like to show you how to add a drawing to a keyframe. Located on the left-hand side, you have a whole bunch of tools you can use. For example, an arrow, rectangle, oval. You still have the shape formatting toolbars, the ability to rotate, and again, you capture these in your animations by simply capturing a keyframe. Once you're done, simply go in the border, right click, and delete. In the next demonstration, I'm going to show you how to add audio to a keyframe. The audio file can be in WAV or MP3 format. To add an audio to a keyframe, in the animation timeline or the animations panel, click the keyframe that you want to add the audio file to. In my example, I'll click the 4-second mark. In the Properties panel, click the audio box. In the audio box, click the Browse button and locate your WAV or MP3 file. In the next topic, I will be discussing adding a loop to your animation. You can add a loop to the animation which will cause a sequence of keyframes to repeat. To add a loop to an animation, in the animation timeline or the animations panel, click the first keyframe in a sequence of keys that you want to repeat. And then, while holding down the Shift key, click the last keyframe in the sequence. Next, right-click, copy, move down to the required position, right-click, and paste. Replacing the keyframe, yes, and now you will have a looping action through your animation. In this next topic, we will be discussing flows. A flow is a series of animated arrows that can be used to show the movement of fluids, liquids, or gases through pipes or tubing, or the movement of an electrical charge through wires. Users are able to interact with the virtual equipment, cross-section the equipment, change views, and remove parts, all while the flow path is moving. You can adjust the color, speed, and size and spacing of the flow shapes. The flow panel is located on the right-hand side. From the flows panel, you can create a flow by adding a series of points to the virtual equipment to create the flow path. You can show flows in animations, tasks, snapshots, and the startup snapshot. To start, in the flows panel, select Create Flow. A panel will appear. Start the flow by laying down points. Spread the points out to the desired location. Changing flow color, flow speed, and flow size is all done in the panel. Once satisfied, select Display Flow, and as you can see, here is your newly created flow. To rename your flow, simply go in the Flow Properties panel located on the right-hand side and rename.